Grove City couple facing dozens of animal cruelty charges was back in court today. This all stems from nearly 300 animals being seized from the couple's home and pet store.
You may remember this all happened about 2 weeks ago. Well, today that couple was back in court for a probable cause hearing. NBC4's Eric Halpern was there inside the courtroom. He joins us now live with all the details. Eric?
Martin, Colleen, the probable cause hearing is all about the more than 150 animals that were taken from Doug and Brittany Duvall's property. In court today, the prosecutor went through roughly 200 pictures of that property, and one by one, the lead Humane agent on the case described those pictures. The pictures were taken by Humane agents as they were removing the animals. The ones seen in court today show conditions of the outside of the home, on the first floor, and in the basement. Outside the home, Humane agents found several freezers, some of them unplugged. Lead agent Sean Dundar said in some of those freezers were dead animals being eaten by maggots. He also talked about how inside the home there were as many as 5 dogs found in cages, stacked on top of each other without proper food or water.
It's the Humane Society's position that stacking cages in a fashion that these two are stacked in is detrimental to the health of animals because it encourages the flow of disease.
Why is that?
Because you are more likely to have communicable diseases spread from top to bottom if there are fecal matter or urine dripping into the cages below.
And the Duvalls declined to comment after things finished up today. Tomorrow, when the hearing continues, the prosecution is expected to show more pictures. Live and local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halpern, NBC4.